everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Well, I am here with an unboxing, and this is for One Day Savings. As you all know, they have some of the most fun, easy diamond paintings out there, and I kind of do some here and there. Very relaxing hobby. If you just want to you just do the diamonds and put it on the picture, it is super fun. And I will leave these links down below. Please go check them out. They're always having good sales. And I do have a coupon code that if you would like to order, you would save. And I would really appreciate that. So let me show you what I picked to do. I picked, this is called the Valentine's Day. It says Goblin keychain. It looks like a little know me. And I thought, oh, how fun for Valentine's Day. And I want you to look how many you get. You get all the little diamonds, of course. Looks like there's some cute little hearts. Here's your keychain along with the clasp. And here's your tray and your glue and your stick. And I want you to look at these cute little nomies that you can do diamond painting, their diamonds on. What a cute little gift to give somebody. Aren't they adorable? And you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 6 of these cute little guys. So how fun. And these would be a really quick project for you to do. Wouldn't take long at all. And then you can see on the top, that's where you'll put the chain and make it into a little keychain. And it actually is front and back. How cool is that? Can't wait to get started on that. And this is going to be a bigger project. And this is a tiger diamond painting. And everybody that knows me knows how much I love my cats. And my favorite is the white tiger. And when I seen this, I thought, yes, please. And look at this gorgeous baby. Oh, my word. And look at all of the diamonds you get with it. But look at him. And they're going to be beautiful, big old green eyes. See how pretty he's going to be? Will that not be gorgeous in a picture frame? So I'm super excited to do that too. And of course, you get all kinds of good... Oh, you even get tweezers with this one. How fun. Huh. And then you get all these diamonds. Can't wait to get started on that. And I would like to thank One Day Savings for sending these to me to play with. And I'm going to get started. So watch out for a project share for these cute little nomies. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.